Good day everyone. I'm Rodel D. Hernandez Jr., BSIT Block 1S. I represent the evolution of the cell phone. Before I will represent the evolution of cell phone, I want to represent first the first inventor of the cell phone. The first inventor of the cell phone was Martin Cooper. This is Martin Cooper. Martin Cooper is an engineer of Motorola Company. In April year 1973, Martin Cooper made the first public call using a handheld mobile phone. This device, known as the Motorola Dynatac 8000X. Motorola Dynatac 8000X is used for only audio call because this device has no screen. This is the example of Motorola Dynatac 8000X, or the first phones ever in this world. A few years later, another company, in year 1990s, cell phone was upgraded into a keypad phone, or the Motorola Dynatac 8000X was upgraded to having a screen and camera. Keypad have the ability to take picture, view calendar, text messaging, and audio call. This is the example of the phone or the keypad phone. In year 1993, the first touchscreen keypad phone was created by the technology giant or the IBM Simon Personal Communicator. The touchscreen keypad phone have the ability to have many modern features such as email, calendar, meeting schedule, audio call, text messaging, and more. This is the example of touchscreen keypad phones. In year 2000, cell phone was totally a touchscreen phone. The touchscreen phone have the ability to have the internet or data, enable wave, browsing, device GPS navigation, include a music playback, high quality of camera, text messaging, audio call, video call, and play games, online or offline. This is the example or the picture of the touchscreen. And this is the advantage and disadvantage of using cell phone. This is the end. Thank you for cooperate and listening. Have a nice day and goodbye.